Croque Monsieur. Toasted ham sandwich. A main dish from France. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Start by making the Mornay sauce. Melt the butter in a saucepan over low heat. Step 2. Add the flour and mix briskly with a whisk for 2 minutes. Step 3. Still over low heat, add 2 cups of the milk, continuing to whisk briskly. When the sauce comes to a boil, season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Add ½ cup of the Gruyere to complete the Mornay. Step 4. Remove from the heat and let cool. Step 5. Combine the remaining 1/4 cup of milk and the beer in a bowl. Add the remaining Gruyere to this liquid. Let soak for 2 minutes, then drain. Step 6. Top each slice of bread first with a slice of ham and then liberally with the Mornay sauce. Sprinkle with the soaked Gruyere and cook in a toaster oven or under a broiler until golden brown. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.